Hey honeys, I'm back with another video and I'm going to be doing a highly requested video, which is a makeup tutorial. I actually did a makeup look yesterday and it was like this bronzy look, summer look. I don't know if it would be summer, but I think it was pretty cute. So I'm just going to jump right into it. And if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you like, subscribe, join the honey fam.
I keep letting you back in. How can I explain myself? You said you cared for me, said you be there for me, cry for me.
Murder on the beat.
For me, give to me, why won't you live for me? You said you cared for me,
So what I first like to start off is moisturizing my face. I use this Bedescu. Ooh. And then I like to use this oil-free moisturizer from the same brand, Mario. And I actually get this from Ulta. First thing I like to do when I do makeup is my eyebrows. And I literally just got this Anastasia one. It's in the shade medium brown. And with this product, when I tell you a little goes a long way, a little go a long way.
And last time I did an eyebrow tutorial, I should be doing it again because I don't even do my eyebrows the same way now. Well, I mean, it's the same process, but I just start from the bottom now.
So I just finished my other eyebrow off camera, and I'm about to go ahead and conceal and get them together, sis. I will be using this Naked concealer in the shade medium dark under the tone warm. And for those who don't know, I do makeup on people, so if you would like to get your makeup done, go ahead and hit me up. Although I'm only in Sacramento, California. The lighter concealer I'm going to be using is the LA Girl. I love these concealers. You can get them at the beauty supply store. And we're just going to use this flat brush from BH Cosmetics. And the reason I like using a light shadow on my lid is because it makes my eyeshadow pop more. If you guys like this video, like enjoy watching it, you guys can go ahead and comment if you guys want me to do another tutorial, and I can see if I can do it. So yeah, what I like to do is I like to set my eyes with the banana powder and kind of just take like a little fluffy brush like this. Once your eyebrows and eyes are set, you can now go into your favorite palette. It is the Jaclyn Hill.
This is my favorite palette ever. It just has so many gorgeous colors. Y'all can't tell me they're so pretty. Just look at it. Okay, let me stop.
The first shade I'm going to be using is this color. This orangey, yellowy, I don't know color, but it's pretty though. People do transition colors, you can't really see them, so I like to dip them in a lot. I'm just using this fluffy brush, and this is from Bella NG323. Work that on our little, what is this called again? Brow bone. And work that into here. And just go straight back like that, so you can blend out towards like the tail area of your eyebrow. Just gonna go back into that same color again and brighten it up a little bit. Once you feel as if they're blended correctly, then you can now move on to the next color, and that is this color right here. We just gonna take a little bit smaller brush but still kind of fluffy, so it could get that right blend. We're gonna take this type of brush. It's a little bit smaller and still fluffy though. Place your brush under it so you can still see that yellowy shade. You see? It's above my crease. It's not really directly in my crease. And you're just gonna go in with a light hand. It's best to hold your brushes like at the end of the brush. That way you'll get like really blended out edges. You're just gonna be going in like a C type of wishy-wash, I don't know. I'm going to go back in with that yellow first transition color and go back over it to blend out that brown area. Dipping into two colors, and it is going to be this color and this color, and I'm going to be adding that into my crease with this.
It's kind of skinny and pointy, but it's not really as fluffy. It's hard at the
top, so it could get really defined into those creases. I'm just going to be dipping it 1, 2, and it's best to work with darker colors at a small pace because it could get really crazy and hectic. So on the outer corner, and just go in like this, like trying, like, again, not to go up too high because you still want to see the other colors that's involved in the look. If you want it to be a little bit darker, you could go back in with this maroon color, but I'm just going to dip back and forth again.
I'm just going to be adding that into my crease, very detailish like.
I'm going back into that brown color. And I go into this color right here. And you're just going to take the same brush, but only a little bit. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this on my outer corner.
Then you're just going to blend it into the crease as you blend it on the outer corner. Going in circular motions.
I'm not really going to say this because I'm going to be adding a lid color. So I'm just going to take this brush that I use and just blend it all together. The edges mostly. It has nothing on here besides like the leftover products of like the other colors, but just blending everything together to make it. Now the last color I'm going to be adding is this wooden brown color. You're just going to pack it into your lid. I really suggest you get this palette because you could do nighttime looks, summer looks, daytime looks, any kind of look. It has like all the right colors you need. I don't know, it's just like the perfect palette for me, but I'm pretty sure it could be perfect for you guys too if you tried it out. I use it like basically on all my makeup looks. I also use this palette on my clients as well. I mean, I have other palettes. It's just, I really like this one a lot. You could just go back in with those two colors again and see if you could blend and see the red a little bit more. I'm just gonna add a little dimension there. Very lightly. So my eyes are done now. Only thing I have to do is just add mascara and my lashes, but I like to do that last. But since I'm doing a summer look, I kind of don't like putting foundation on my face because any foundation I wear, it always makes my face feel really, really heavy. So I'm just going to be wearing concealer. First concealer I'm going to be using is the Naked one that I used for my eyebrows. Tell y'all the shade again. Medium dark, warm. I'm just going to add this under my eyes. But I'm going to be using this sponge that I got from, no, was it Target? It was Walmart. But it works so good. I really like this because it like lets me get under my eyes and fix the edges of my eyeshadows. One thing I can honestly say about this concealer is it gets right in my dark circles. As if you guys can see, I look kind of ghosty. So I'm gonna go back in with some colored powder. But for now on, I'm just going to contour around my face. My Anastasia cream contour palette. I'm going to be going in with a flat concealer brush and taking this first like cinnamon color. Yeah, it's in that. And just going to contour in the areas that you usually contour. Snatch that big forehead, girl. Okay. Once you feel as though you've added the color where you really want it to be, you go in with the bottom side of the beauty blender. And what you want to do is you want to pat. You don't want to drag because it'll just not blend right at all. You want to blend upward. Now that I have blended out everything, I am now going to bake my face. And when I mean bake, I am going to be using my banana powder. And now all you want to do is dip it in there and press into your face. Once I'm done with baking my face, I now like to add a bit of bronzer. And this is a City Collection matte bronzer in Chestnut. And I'm just taking an angled fluffy brush and dipping that in here. You just want to go with the light hand like that and just bronze. So when done with that, you can just brush away your powder. Just use like a big fluffy one like this. But if you still look a little paley, that's when you're gonna go into color. This is the LA Girl Pro Face high definition matte pressed powder. And I'm just going to take my sponge again, press this into here. You're just going to brush that color into your skin. And I'm in the shade Classic Tan. So now, I'm just going to blend that all together with this. Go into the highlights, which is my favorite part. And today I'm going to be using the Cover FX Enhancer Drops. And this is Sunlight. When I tell you this is pigmented, all you need is one drop. Watch this, y'all. Watch this. Hold on. Ooh. Go in with a fan brush and just blend it out. You can always use your finger. I don't look so patchy.
Add some on my nose. This girl gotta be glowing.
Ew. Once you finish putting on your highlight, you're going to want to do your lashes now. So I like to use my favorite mascara, which is the box one. After you do one coat, you want to get your lashes. Lashes I'm going to be using by Jazlynn Brown. I got these from Walmart, and I think these are called JB. Yeah, lashes, and they're right here. Ooh. Once you add your glue to your lashes, you're just gonna wanna blow. And once you're waiting for them to dry, I kind of just like to go back in to the palette and do my underline. Now you can now put on your lash because it's ready to be put on. It's pretty tacky. Popping. Now last thing you want to do is you want to add your favorite lip gloss. It's beauty. Well honeys, this wraps up my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this summer no foundation concealer foundation bronzy eyeshadow dark lid. I hope you guys stay tuned to my channel. Make sure you subscribe and join the crew.